good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is when faith becomes the sun within. Ladies and gentlemen, across the journey of existence, every being looks upward or inward in moments of trial, seeking a sign that the unseen listens. The whisper of hope rising from despair, the calm that follows surrender, and the strength that appears from the invisible all reveal a quiet truth. The Master Creator smiles when trust and faith awaken within the soul. Trust is the bridge between the known and the unknown. Faith is the light that continues to shine when the bridge disappears in mist. In the symphony of creation, these two weave the unseen thread connecting the human essence with the divine intelligence that governs all. Silently, tenderly, and with unfailing precision, science speaks of coherence, how patterns of energy, thought, and vibration align to produce harmony and creation itself. In the same mystery, when human consciousness vibrates in resonance with divine order, a sacred symmetry unfolds where intent, emotion, and action unite with the cosmic rhythm of truth. Trust begins as belief, a conviction that one is not alone. Yet faith transcends trust. It is the silent certainty that divine intelligence is at work even when nothing seems to move. Faith does not demand proof. It breathes assurance through surrender. It recognizes that the silence of the Creator is not indifference but orchestration, that every unanswered prayer is being prepared for its destined moment of unfolding. The ancients called it Shraddha, awareness anchored in reverence. The Upanishads revealed that the divine listens not only to words but also to the vibration of devotion that rises from the heart. Modern science affirms this timeless wisdom. Deep prayer and meditative trust bring coherence to the brain and heart rhythms, generating measurable harmony. The physics of faith reflected in biology. When such trust matures, into living faith, it becomes the inner sun that never sets, radiating calm through storms, strength through uncertainty, and light through the night. In that radiance, fear dissolves like mist before dawn, and the soul walks in serene companionship with the divine, guided not by thought but by illumination, not by hope but by divine presence itself. What's the way forward? In the vast continuum of life, faith is the unseen geometry of balance. Wherever trust converges with divine resonance, the hidden architecture of order reveals itself. What once seemed fragmented begins to align. What appeared delayed ripens at the precise moment. Silence turns into awareness, and awareness into communion. Thought refines into vibration, and vibration into light. This is not aspiration, it is law, where consciousness aligns with grace. Reality reorganizes itself. Such alignment may not promise ease, yet it ensures purpose. It transforms uncertainty into wisdom and difficulty into design. In this equilibrium, compassion becomes the fragrance of the soul, courage its rhythm, and righteousness its movement. When faith thus anchors the heart, every breath becomes part of the Creator's unfolding smile, the smile of a universe in perfect coherence with its source. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, faith is not escape from the real. It is awakening to the deeper real that sustains all appearances. When trust merges with surrender and surrender dissolves into communion, the distance between the created and the Creator disappears. In that stillness, the Master Creator smiles, for creation has remembered its divine rhythm. As Lord Krishna declares in the revealed Bhagavad Gita, whoever offers to me with faith a leaf, a flower, a fruit or water, I accept that offering of love from the pure-hearted. And then beyond the sound of words and the motion of prayer, there arises a quiet splendor, a realization that the divine was never apart, but breathing through every heartbeat, listening through every silence, and guiding through every shadow. In that awakening, the soul recognizes itself as part of the eternal continuum of love, light, and law, the very pulse of creation. When such purity blossoms, the heart becomes the altar. Life becomes the offering, and faith becomes the eternal sunrise, a light that never fades, like the sun of the world that invites faith from every soul, promising a new dawn and a brighter tomorrow after every night. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.